Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, and today we've got some critical information about the American economy that you absolutely need to know. It's a roller coaster out there, and we're here to dissect it, so you can make informed decisions in these tumultuous times. All right, folks, let's start with a recent ray of hope. We saw a market rebound, but don't pop the champagne just yet. The truth is, we're still down from our recent highs. It's like climbing a steep mountain only to slip right before reaching the summit. The roller coaster isn't done with us, and we must be prepared for what lies ahead. Now, these stock picks I'm about to share are not for the faint of heart. They're rooted in the expectation of a market recovery. That's right, we're banking on the market bouncing back. It's like trying to catch a falling knife, but sometimes you've got to be daring in these stormy seas. But wait, before we dive into these stocks, I've got something that can be your compass in this turbulent sea. I'm talking about a custom portfolio tracker. And guess what? I've got a lifeline for you. A whopping 33% discount. This tracker goes beyond your wildest dreams. It's like having a financial GPS, telling you where you are, where you're going, and how to get there. It's a game changer. Now, a word of caution, my friends. Short-term stock trading ideas can be riskier than tightrope walking over a pit of hungry crocodiles. These ideas can be speculative, and if you're not careful, you might just get bitten. So, how did I choose these stocks? It's not a random selection, let me tell you that. I looked for stocks in growth industries that are like roaring wildfires, impossible to ignore. And here's the kicker, they must have dominant market shares. These aren't just any stocks, they're the top dogs. Host. First up, we've got SoFi Technologies, ticker SoFi. It's in the fintech banking sector, and let me tell you, this one's been on fire. With a growth rate that makes your head spin, SoFi is adding millions of users every quarter. It's like the future of banking knocking on your door, and I've got my money on it. Next in the spotlight is DraftKings, ticker DKNG. It's not just a leader, it's the king of sports betting and online gambling. With its expanding reach into more states and soaring revenues, DraftKings is like a thoroughbred racing towards a gold medal. Brace yourselves for Fortinet, ticker FTNT. It's in cybersecurity, a realm where the battleground is digital. Cybersecurity is the future, my friends, and Fortinet is right there on the front line. Despite a recent dip, this stock's got strong growth potential written all over it. Now let's talk electric vehicles with Rivian Automotive, ticker RIVN. It's like Tesla's little brother, and it's making waves in the EV world. With production costs falling and revenue soaring, Rivian is racing towards a bright future. Finally, we have Snowflake, ticker SNOW. This one's like the wizard behind the AI curtain. As AI takes center stage, companies like Snowflake are the unsung heroes, providing the software that makes it all happen. Trust me, this stock is where you want to be. But the drama doesn't end there, folks. We've got some earnings reports coming up. Keep your eyes peeled for CrowdStrike Holdings, CRWD, and Salesforce, CRM. These reports could shake the very foundations of the market. Now let's talk about the big players in the game, the Federal Reserve and inflation. The Fed's interest rate decisions are like thunderclaps in the market, and inflation? Well, it's lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce. Stay tuned. This is a storyline we can't ignore. Before we wrap up this roller coaster of information, remember to seize the day. That special 33% relaunch discount on the custom portfolio tracker is your lifeline. Don't miss out on this opportunity to chart your financial course with precision. All right, my fellow financial adventurers, that's a wrap for today. It's a wild ride out there in the American economy, but with the right information and tools, you can navigate it like a pro. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's ride this roller coaster together. Until next time.